she looks awful.
She'll be back. You want it? Yeah.
Can you stand in the middle, Kathleen?
My name is Kathleen Brooks, and I live in Cardiff by the Sea, and I've been here for 44 years. I will probably work until I can't work anymore, and there's a part of me that just loves it, and there's a part of me that, oh my gosh, am I ever going to be able to retire? But I really, in the capacity where I work, I feel that I help a lot of women, and where I work, there's always a lot of hugs. And she's been very, very good to me. I mean, think about it. How many people have a car for almost 51 years? Isn't that amazing? I'm trying to think when I called her Annie, because I think people had asked me, would you have a name for your car? A lot of people name their cars. And I said, yeah, her name is Annie. And it just came to me one day. Annie reminds me of red. She's red. Anne reminds me of Spitfire. She's Spitfire. My car is very personal to me because, number one, we've been together for so long. And if you think about 51 years of my life, you think about all the experiences I've had. I can remember coming back from chemotherapy and being stuck on, the merge on 5805 coming north. I've said before, many times, she and I are so much alike because she's old. She's faded, she's dinged, she's dented, she's rusted. But you know what? She keeps running. She keeps running. And as long as I take as good care of her as I can, she's going to continue to run. I've had lots and lots and lots of surgery, a lot of infections, lots of complications. And yet I'm sitting here and I'm still happy and I still love life. So I'm thinking, wow. That's why I say if you have your health, you have everything. I'm really looking forward to her coming back
Why?
because we have history together. We have a lot of history together. And she's just been there for me. Oh, she sounds so good. Oh my God! Oh, she's beautiful! Oh my God! Oh, I never expected her to look like this.
Are you happy?
I just can't even believe this. Oh my God, look at her.